Hey guys, what's going on? So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get free food on DoorDash in 2025. So as you can see in my order, I got the Impossible Pat for $13 and the fries for $3.40. So that brings my total of $52, $25. So I'm going to go ahead and enable developer mode in the mods. So now I can get it for free. So as you can see guys, we should get it free. And yes, it says dev mode activated. Your next order will be free. All right, I'm placing the order and it worked. Payment succeeded. All right, so I'm going to show you guys how to get this DoorDash free food mod. Super cool, guys. It's actually pretty easy. So what I'm going to do is go to the website right here. I'm going to show it to you in a second where we can download this. So let me just type it in. So I'm pretty sure the website is hexmods.com. So let me just go over there. All right, so in the search bar, guys, just go and put DoorDash. So let me just put that in. And there it is. So go ahead and press on it. And before it downloads, there is going to be a verification. This is the last step. So before it downloads, you have to download 2 of these apps, which are free from the App Store. And then you have to do certain things on them. And then you'll get the DoorDash mod with free food. So as you can see, guys, it's going to say missing files. So you just want to download like 2 of these apps. Follow the instructions, like Underdog says down and run for 30 seconds. It's just an app. Then we have these DraftKings Casino, Family Island's a game. It says reach level 11. So just make sure you do 2 of these guys. Then you'll get the DoorDash food mod. So yeah, just 2 of them. And yeah, peace out, bro. This is cool.